Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app network software issues. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Birdfy app network software issue, so guys just follow this video. To fix this issue guys, first of all update and reinstall your Birdfy app. Generally, Birdfy system outage and the software bugs are often resolved by simply updating the app. So simply go to the App Store and Google Play Store and check for the pending update to the Birdfy or the native app. Okay, if updating does not work, uninstall the app completely and restart your phone and reinstall it. This clears the corrupted cache and the data. Then guys, verify network and the Wi-Fi setting. Birdfy camera require 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connections. So during setup or when the connecting, ensure your phone and the camera both are on the same network. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz band merged under the same name, so temporarily turn off the 5 bands in your router setting to force the Birdfy device to connect to the 2.4 GHz bands. Okay. Second thing is guys, check signal range. If your app loads but the live feed stop frequently, the camera may be too far from your router. So move the camera within the 10 meter of your router and ensure there are no thick wall or metal doors. Okay, route the camera and the lenses adjust to the antenna orientation. Fix 4 is guys, reset your Birdfy device. If the camera is listed as the offline in the app and will not reconnect, so clear your hardware temporarily. Then guys, locate the reset button, press and hold the button for about 7 to 10 seconds until hear a reset chime. Once reset your Birdfy app, simply go to the devices and follow the app pairing instruction and scanning the QR code. After that guys, run a hotspot test to isolate whether the issue is with your home Wi-Fi or the Birdfy hardware. So guys, turn on 2.4 GHz mobile hotspots and connect your Birdfy device to the TATS hotspot if the camera is streaming successfully on the hotspot. The issue is strictly related to your home router settings. So guys, these are the things that you can try, and guys, thank you.